G'day everyone, BelleAim here, and today there is a new Nintendo Nindies Direct, so you know what that means? It's time for a reaction. So without further ado, let's check it out, because I know nothing about this, and who knows if there's any surprises. So, let's go. Looks like it's 20 minutes long. Okay, we've got this fun little intro going on. Oh, Joy-Cons of lots of colors. Definitely getting me excited. What are we gonna see? Alright, I'm ready. Come on. Let's see what we got. Indie World! Very peppy, I like that. Ooh, I like the look of this. What, golf? Oh, is this like Golf Story? What is this? This is so charming! I'm already down for this. This looks good. Oh man, please tell me more. Is this a complete Golf Story but with like, wait, what? What is this? I'm into this. I don't even know what it is. It's so cute. Late for class. So we've got sports, lots of different sports, but also like looking around the world. I wonder if there's any kind of like farming too. What, peacocks? What is this? Golfing to tennis, baseball. What is this? Sports Story. So it is like Golf Story. I wonder if it's the same creators.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining.
Oh my gosh.
I'm Kirk Scott.
Here we go, it's Kirk.
Indie guy.
And I'm Sam Robinson.
And Sam.
Welcome to Indie World.
All right.
A look ahead at some
Please tell me more about Sports
Switch
Story.
system.
I want to play that. That looks so much fun.
We're thrilled to kick off this edition of Indie World with Sports Story, the sequel to Golf
It is the
Story, and a
sequel.
game that's not just about sports.
That's
It's a full-on
amazing.
golfing adventure with a whole
I haven't
lot
played
of
Golf
tennis
Story
gameplay
yet.
for good measure. Not to mention dungeons,
Wow.
espionage,
Okay, this is a
minigames,
must for me.
Plenty of friends and
This is really
enemies
cool.
to meet on your way to the Deca Sportathon.
Oh wow.
Sports Story launches
Okay, so
exclusively
oh,
on
it's
Nintendo
exclusive
Switch
and
May
next
20th.
year, mid of the year. I'm getting that. That is definite. And I got to get on the ball about playing Golf Story cuz that looks great too. Okay, what's this? Some kind of fighting game. Got pretty intense music. Graphics look fun. I like the music. Gets you pumped up. I guess this is a beat 'em up. It looks nice. I like the music. It's pretty great. I don't think that I'm particularly gonna get this one. Just because it's not really calling out to me. Streets of Rage though. Isn't that the game that I played
There'll
before?
be plenty of braised chicken lying around on plates.
Huh.
And
Streets of
bad guys
Rage,
to
I've
beat
heard
down.
good things
When
about.
Streets of Rage 4 comes to
So
Nintendo
maybe I will
Switch
give that a
first
try. I
half of
don't
2020.
know. We'll have to see.
皆さんこんにちは。
Oh, hello.
本作ではディスリパブリッシャーでプロデューサーを
Gleamlight. That sounds really familiar. Tells a quiet and mysterious story, an artistic world with a stained glass motif, I guess. The player becomes a single sword, and with the help of children, fights against powerful enemies to uncover the mysteries of the world. It's a place that is beautiful. Oh wait, raising questions. How would you feel? What would you think about? And what kind of journey are you on? The time has come to relish the world of Gleamlight.
Just imagine if you turned into a sword. It'd probably be kind of freaky and kind of awesome.
I don't know. I don't know if I'd
Really
want to be a
beautiful, if
sword.
you will, especially if it happened in a stained glass world where you and some children are on a quest to reach its
I
top.
personally would not want to be a
Where's
sword.
The UI, you ask? Where we're going, you won't need me.
What is this?
This game knows how players.
It
love
looks
you
interesting.
and how to guide you through without anything.
It's got like a
unnecessary
Hollow
like
Knight
words.
vibe to it.
Who needs them? See if you can cut to the heart of this stained glass world when Gleamlight launches on Nintendo Switch.
I'm going to
in
check out
early
more information
2020.
on this one.
Hi everyone, I'm Alexander Fernandez.
Hello,
CEO of
Alexander.
Gleamlight Media Group, and today we're going to be showing you our brand new game, Bacon Switch.
Bacon Switch?
It's a violently cute couch co-op game that I think you're going to like.
Ooh. I
Yeah,
like
I guess.
baking. I like
In
the
fact,
Switch.
We liked it so much, we made it about food because we like to eat.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
That's pretty good. No,
That's,
that's pretty
they all brought in different bakes.
Wow, that's the bliss ball right there. There you go.
I think he genuinely
So we hope
liked
you guys
that.
like it. And more importantly,
He held
I hope
on
you
to
enjoy
it.
it
He's like,
because-
I'm gonna keep eating this one.
We had to work really hard on it, baking this and making sure it works. So please enjoy it.
I'm excited to check it out. What's going on?
You see those cuddly dough
They are
things?
cute.
They simply must be sacrificed.
Oh, gosh.
To the guardians of dough. And so,
Guardians
in
of
this party
dough.
brawler, you and up to 3 other players
Makes me
need to
think
work
of
as a
Homer
team
Simpson.
to
Dough.
punch, combine, and bake those doughs before time runs out. This in-your-face co-op action may be easy to pick up, but trust me, it's tough.
I
to
wonder if this
master
is
all the
like,
challenging mechanics in each level.
Overcooked.
And in player versus player mode, it's every baker for themselves.
I'd give this a
Bake and
shot.
Switch will cook up something special.
I'd give it a
on
bake.
Nintendo Switch in summer 2020.
Oh my gosh. Sounds pretty cool. All right, what do we have here? Super Mash.
Continue. I'm excited to announce our new game, Super Mash. Super Mash is a game
Let's see
that
what's it
makes
about.
games.
A game
It's
that
love
makes
letter to game
games.
culture, set in a game shop
I don't know if
run
I'd be
by
very
a
good at
sister
it
to
then.
discover mysterious game concepts.
Let's see.
The magic of Super Mash is what we didn't do. The games it produces are not scripted. It's the game itself that mashes the genres together and creates a different game every time you play. You never know what it's going to
It's very intriguing so
Just do me
far.
one favor, okay? This is the code to my favorite Mash. When you pick up Super Mash for the Nintendo Switch next year, put it in. Let me know what you think.
Interesting. That was a nice little technique there, showing his favorite one. It makes the interest even higher because it's like, ooh, I wonder what his favorite one is. All right, what do we got here? Super Mash is a game that makes games. 2 classic genres and Mash. Platformer and JRPG. Ooh, that's the first one I would pick. How do they know that? Every game is endlessly unique. Oh, that's fun. Generate unpredictable results. I wonder how deep it could get with the RPG being that way. Because one thing I love about RPGs is the story. Control the chaos. Just seeing the mix-ups might be fun. Oh, that looks like The Sims a little bit. Or the next big flop. I don't know, this looks pretty interesting. They've got different art styles and everything mashed in here. That is way more ambitious than I
Super Mash
thought.
will shake things up on Nintendo
Wow.
Switch in May 2020.
I thought it was all
What
going to
would
be
you
like the
do
same
if the
graphics,
world
just
around
mixed
you
up,
was
and
as
no,
strange and
wow.
contradictory
Alright, what do we
as
have
ancient
here?
ruins
Tails
filled with
Principle.
advanced technology? Well, in this first-person puzzle game,
First
you're about
person
to find
puzzle
out.
game.
Tasked by your creator with solving a series
Unfortunately,
of complex
I
puzzles,
probably won't be able to play this one
divert
because it's a
drones,
first
manipulate
person
laser
shooter
beams,
style,
and even replicate
and that
time
usually
to
gives
prove
me
your
pretty
worth.
bad
find a way
motion
out.
sickness.
Who are you? What's your purpose?
Yeah, because
As you
unfortunately,
choose
even
your
things
own
like
path
Portal I
into this
can't play.
non-linear world, uncover the clues you need
Looks
to decide
it
for
looks really
yourself.
nice though.
You'll have more than
I like
120
puzzlers.
puzzles to solve. And the Talos Principle Deluxe Edition
Talos
comes
Principle,
to Nintendo
okay.
Switch later today.
Thought it was Tails, Talos.
Nothing
Ooh,
quite
what's
like a
this?
high-season
Sail
adventure
forth.
Classic naval action with exploration.
I smell
Really makes you want to expand your fleet and do battle with pirates, sea monsters, even the sea itself.
The sea, the water
The
looks pretty
entire map
great.
is procedurally generated.
Okay, the
All
whole
across
map
it,
is
you'll discover
procedurally
items to
generated,
explore and quests
so
to
it's
take,
always different.
rescuing sailors to looting pirates. And you'll
I
do
think.
it all from your custom boat. You pick the design, colors, weapons.
Oh, I always
and
love a
equipment.
customized
As you
boat.
progress, you'll add new boats to your fleet.
That's
Give
fun.
orders to the crew on boats you aren't sailing yourself.
I used to play Disney
Better keep
Infinity and I
track of the wind
customized the
and
boat
use
there
physics
too.
to your advantage. Sail forth.
Sail
sails
forth.
into port on Nintendo Switch
It looks a
in
little bit
2020.
slow for me personally, but for anyone
Hello,
who loves
everyone.
that sailing action,
I'm
it could be
Clifford,
fun.
Developer here at Phoenix
Alright, what do we
Labs.
have here?
Since
Dauntless.
you last saw us during Nintendo Treehouse live at E3 earlier
Oh,
this
I
year,
missed that one.
we've been hard at work developing our hit online action RPG Dauntless for the Nintendo Switch system.
Alright, let's see
We're
more about it.
absolutely thrilled to
Ooh,
share a fresh look
it
at
looks
our
pretty
game,
great.
including the reveal of our new content expansion, Storm Chasers,
Storm
complete
Chaser.
with the Sky Fighter armor and Sky Metal weapon set. These cosmetic items will be available at launch exclusively to players on the Nintendo Switch for free. We hope you
Okay,
enjoy
free
your
exclusive
first look at the
content
next
for the Switch
evolution of
owners.
Dauntless, and we'll see you in the Shattered Isles.
Let's take a look. Kind of looks like Monster Hunter, like a little light version. Alright, what do we got here? Pretty neat character designs. Oh, I like that girl. Alright, Beacon crossplay. Okay. Rollicking monster mashing times. Okay. I'm guessing this is online. If you can play with friends online, that's pretty cool. Can you make your own weapons? I've never heard of this before. Everything looks pretty great. The designs are really nice. I'm liking the monster designs too. Look at that thing, it's cool. Slay on the Nintendo Switch today. Wow. Look at that guy. Oh, it looks really cool. I don't know if it's going to be my kind of game, but this is looking really nice at least.
Boss-sized behemoths that seek to devour it. With cross-platform and cross-region play,
Cross-platform and cross-region.
And with
oh, that's really nice.
You can take your Slayer on the go with Nintendo Switch, no matter where you began your adventure.
Wow, so it is a like an online co-op.
Forge your legacy.
Ooh, look at that world.
Co-op battles
oh, doggy, a pupper.
World. Create deadly weapons and powerful armor from the very creatures you
wow.
slay, and immerse yourself in rich
this has potential.
And crafting systems. Look forward to regular
for me personally, I don't really enjoy the games where it's only about defeating monsters. Like I need some sort of story to go along with it. So I need to look into this more and see what's going on with it. Plus, it's available today. I wonder if there's a demo or something.
An actress on
oh, what's this? I like the art style.
Starring in her own murder mystery. Can you and your robot scout crack the case?
What is this, like Phoenix Wright or something?
Guess your only option is to dig up clues.
Puzzle start. Let's see. Oh, look, Picross. I love Picross. Oh, it is the Beautiful Joe and Phoenix Wright, the composer for the same one. Oh my gosh, the Hatoful Boyfriend game.
You must uncover a tangled web of conspiracy, deception, and, of course, murder. As
wow.
you piece together the truth, one pixel at a time.
You know what?
No
I'm kind of into this. I love Picross.
First, as a timed exclusive
this?
on Nintendo Switch in early
I didn't think I would like this at first, but it's kind of calling to me. Okay, Oddworld.
He doesn't take kindly to guns.
What do we have here?
In exchange for the bounties he collects.
There was like a little chipmunk on the weapon there. Look at that. There's like there's bugs on these. That's so different. Why?
Problem is, there's a bounty on his head too. In this action-adventure game, you'll wield Stranger's unusual crossbow that fires off rounds of live ammo, from rodents to bugs. And you'll earn bigger bounties for live capture.
It shoots off
With
those
updated
creatures.
FPS controls and gyroscopic aiming, the definitive version of this classic
strange.
is fast approaching.
I've never heard of that.
Stranger's Wrath launches on Nintendo
Stranger's
Switch
Wrath.
in January
So I'm probably not going to pick up that one. It
You
just
purchase
wasn't
it
calling
later
to me, but
today.
pretty crazy. And later today,
Oh man.
Skatebird.
Why is this so adorable?
what is up with this? I love this. This is so random.
Put a bird on it and just look at him go.
Oh my
I want to be a
gosh.
skatebird.
That's
Whether they're grinding on
hilarious.
bendy straws,
That makes me think of those little like finger
Harding lines
skateboards
through a park held together
that
by
birds are
sticky
just
tape.
riding on.
Skateboards always try their best, don't they?
Oh my gosh. And skateboard, skateboard.
Collect tiny clothing, help out fellow
Skateburb.
birds, and find secret mixtapes of original lo-fi bird opportunities.
Mixtapes.
Before
Oh
long,
my
you'll be
gosh.
catching air like only a bird could. When Skateboard
You know, it would be
launches
pretty
on
cool if he
Nintendo
could
Switch,
actually fly. That is really cute. Alright, what do we got next? Some manga styled or comic styled. What is, ooh, choose your own story type of situation? That's an interesting way to do it. Puzzles, mystery, drama. Black and white. Oh wow, swimming. Huh. Looks a little bit on the creepy side too. That has definitely got a creepy vibe going on. That music was super creepy. Like ominous. Okay.
You saw it for yourself in the trailer, people. Liberated blends the art of cyberpunk, hand-drawn graphic novels with interactivity and action to create one seamless experience.
Wow,
In this
that's
near
pretty
future dystopia,
impressive.
the eerily familiar,
That's a
always
really
hardline
unique
society
idea.
gives way
I
to
like it.
big government control. But that
Wow,
won't
you
stop a
create
insurgent group
your
called
own story, like your
Liberated from
own
rising up.
comic.
This is no simple tale of good versus evil. As you flip between pages, side-scrolling stealth gunplay and platforming action, you must witness what transpires from many points of view to parse the truth.
Ooh, I like how the
Liberated
panels
will be
are
released
like
first
shaded until you
as a
go
timed
on.
exclusive on Nintendo Switch in 2020.
Hi, we're Kid Fox Games, and this is our game Boyfriend,
Hello.
a dating simulator dungeon crawler mashup. We are super
Interesting.
excited to announce that Boyfriend Dungeon will be coming to
Boyfriend
the Nintendo
Dungeon.
Switch, which means you'll be able to date your weapons at home and on the go.
Date your
If
weapons.
you're like me, then you're never going to forget your summer stay at Verona Beach, where you're tasked with clearing out all the creatures in the dungeon. Oh, and it only gets better, because the weapons you can find there transform into cuties, and they're single. Forge precious
Interesting.
memories with your many loves, and use their individual combat
With your many
styles to
loves?
clear out all the monsters
Not
as
my
you
style,
uncover
but
dungeon
okay.
secrets together.
I
Did
guess it's
mention
kind of
romantic
like
dates?
Blades for Xenoblade.
so much.
Kinda.
Oh, and there's also the Nintendo Switch exclusive HD Rumble function. Level up your love when
Boyfriend Dungeon.
comes to Nintendo
I'm
Switch in
probably not
2020.
gonna go for that one. But there's
Sometimes
nothing
you
wrong with
need
it.
to face a
Nothing
tough subject
wrong.
head-on. Even if that
Dreamscaper.
means battling a nightmarish
What do we
depression
have here?
inside a young woman's subconscious. Thankfully, you'll have an expansive combat system on your side, combining a brawler, a top-down shooter, and a dungeon crawler. Every time you slumber,
It's a little on
you'll
the
face
dark
another
side, like,
randomized dungeon
visually.
found in the game's beautifully haunting dreamscapes. littered
It's also
with
got
powerful
this
artifacts,
like
challenges,
misty,
and puzzles.
blurred effect going
Forge
on.
friendships in your waking life and use their hopes and dreams to dispel
Oh,
the darkness
they don't
within.
have
You'll
typical
warp the dreamscape
faces.
around you with
Interesting.
lucid powers that alter the flow of time and space. When Dreamscaper launches first,
Dreamscaper. That's a really cool logo.
Early
I'm not really feeling that one either, but it looks kind of
Hey
neat.
everyone, we're extremely excited to reveal a brand
Team
new game we've
17.
been working on at Team 17.
We've combined crafting, base building and survival, along with a few surprises, in a new
Uh-huh.
adventure set within the Escapist universe. And on Nintendo
Yeah.
Switch, you can play with 3 of your friends in local wireless and online multiplayer.
We
Oh,
hope
it's
you enjoy
online
the
and
video.
local. Okay, let's see what this is. Team 17 did Ukulele, Impossible Layer. They did a great job there. Like they helped produce it, I think. All right, what is this? Let's see. Get to build, survive, and train monkeys? Huh. You get monkey helpers. Aw, they're kind of cute. It's kind of giving me a Warcraft vibe. I loved Warcraft 3. That was one of my favorites. And you can do this online too with friends. Oh, it's set in the Escapist world. Oh, that's a cool way to tie them in together. The Survivalists. That sounds pretty fun.
Whether you're crafting, building, or
I'd be
yes,
willing to check this
training
out.
monkeys, survival is the name of
The
the
training
game.
monkeys thing is so
These
funny. It's so
procedurally
cute.
generated islands are alive. They
I wonder if you
change
can
during
just
the
train a
day-night
bunch
cycle,
and have an
they're
army
riddled
of
with
monkeys.
adventure and a wealth of secrets. As you or your monkeys gather resources and craft items, you'll uncover your own recipes and multiple crafting trees. That should help you overcome the hidden threats lurking within temples. Full
Could
of
be
exotic
fun.
riches and slick weapons.
I like that you can play with friends.
You can play co-op locally or online with up to 3 friends who each have their own game and system to try and survive together.
Okay, so you have to have your own
However,
game
everyone
to
will be pleased to
play
see you
together.
try.
I wonder if that's the case for
Survivalists
local.
releases on Nintendo
It makes
Switch
sense for
in 2020.
online. Coming out next year. But there's a lot of good stuff coming up.
So we'd like to take a moment to thank all of our partners for giving Nintendo Switch
Back to the
owners
funky
so
music.
much to look forward to.
Well said, Kirk. On behalf of Nintendo, thank you so much. And thanks to all of you
Thank
for
you.
joining us. Although, now that I think about it, there is one more thing.
Oh, they got a surprise at the end.
Hi, I'm Tom Happ, creator of Axiom
Hello,
Verge.
Tom Happ.
I just wanted to take this
Oh,
moment
the Axiom
to
Verge
thank
guy.
both Nintendo
Okay.
and Nintendo fans for the love you've shown Axiom Verge. over
I haven't
the
played
years.
that one.
Quietly working on the
Is
next
that like-
installment of Axiom Verge for about 4 years now.
Oh,
Here's a
wow.
sneak peek.
This is the game that's kind of like Mega Man, right? maybe? You are not in control. You are not yourself. You belong to us now. Uh-oh. Ooh. Pixel art looks good. Very retro. Once more into the breach. Okay. Maybe I was thinking Axiom Verge was something else. Oh, interesting powers there. Maybe it's more like Metroid. Coming out fall 2020. Cool. I know a lot of people that love Axiom Verge, so they are going to be super excited about that, and I should check it out too. Nice. And with that, the Indies Direct is over. So what did you guys think of this? I think there's a lot of really cool things in here. Some of the notable standouts to me was definitely the very first one, Sports Story. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to check that out. And I can't wait to check out Golf Story too, so that I can see both of those. That just caught my attention right away. What else do we have here? There was the Gleamlight, the baking one, Bacon Switch. That was pretty cool. I want to see what that Mashup game is all about. The bird skater, the bird like skateboarder, but for the birds. That was so funny. Oh my gosh. And that manga one, that was pretty interesting too. What was that called? It was called Liberated, right? Liberated. And then also the Survivalist one seemed pretty cool. But for me personally, the standout was definitely Sports Story. I can't wait to try that out. I wonder if it's going to be set kind of in an Australian setting like the first one, Golf Story. Oh, I really want to play that. But anyway, I'd love to hear what you guys thought of this. Did you guys see any that really called out to you? Are there some in here that are really cool? Some that you weren't feeling so much? I think overall, pretty solid Indie Direct. We got a lot coming, and it's pretty exciting that there's so many games that are coming to Switch, and the Switch is doing so well with indies. It's great to see Nintendo and indies working together, and from what I understand, indies sell incredibly well on the Switch, so it's like a perfect match made in heaven. And a big thank you to all my patrons out there. Without you, I wouldn't be able to make these videos for you. And if you enjoy what I do, if you would consider becoming a patron, you can do so for as little as $1 a month, and it really well and truly helps me out. So a big, kind, welcome, warm-hearted thank you for you guys. I really appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching. It means so much to me. I love sharing these with you. You're all so amazing, and I love hearing what you have to say. And I hope to see you again for the next one. So until then, take care.